API routes. So the first thing I will do is checking the routes I already have. I already have a lot of them, most of them actually. So I will start to create the status routes, like get the status. I will not post, put or delete because it's unnecessary. So it will be the first example. To do that, I will just get these codes. Videonotes.com is a really cool place to add notes on videos. So the first thing I need to make is a module. For that I have, let me just open a few folders to check the files. Okay, so to create is just PHP artisan make module status. I will change these names actually. Status is a word that is not good practice to use, but and create a lot of problems, and I will show why. So I will create anyways. Whoa. Oh yeah, is resource, not resources. I have an error in my snippet. Okay, yes. So let me fix this on my notes. Okay, sources. Now I need to make a resource. So this is the three main fields to create a route. It's a module, a controller, and a resource. So now I just need to add the endpoint. I will call it status, and it will be on status controller index. Oh wait, I call it the controller status, I guess. Yeah, so I need to change this name, but I will create a new controller and delete this one. I think it will be easier. Yeah, probably it will be easier, so let's create a new one. Status controller. Okay, so right now I have two controllers. I don't need this one. Let's say refresh it. It's right there. So I don't need this controller. When you make the resource, it create the functions like create, start, show, edit, update, and destroy. I don't need these ones for status because I only want to get them. It's like a fixed table. So it probably will be cool to add some seeds on migrations, but I will not do that for now. I don't know the status, default status, so I can't do that. So to get the status, I will just change this from the other routes. The status I want only 15, and I want, that's it. I want the first 15 status. I think it will be enough. If not, in the future I will change it. Okay, I just need to add the status and the resource. This as need you need to add this when you have the same name for the resource and the module. It will not work if you can call the same thing different things with the same name. It's the logic. Okay, let me see if this works. I hope not. I really hope not, because status is a problem. the name status generates lots of problems, exactly. So I will speed up here. I will create all my files with a different name. I will call it project status, and I will change my database name, not my database name, but table name to project statuses with a ENS in the end, because Laravel really doesn't like the name status, and I understand why. It's a really kind of good measure from them. So this was the solution. I changed the name of the table and it started working. So now I can get the status from the database and a new route for a that with the get. So next step, I will show you how can I get the projects from by user. So for that I will in the module create a function like you see here, call it projects by user. Then I will make a where this is like a query where I try to find the project by the user ID. I will make a for each to get every single line of every single project of the user, and then I add the fields I want to show in my return. So I want also to add the user and status information from different tables. So I think it's good practice to link and show the data when you have foreign keys of different tables, and that is what these two lines in the end make. I need some data, so I don't have a register page, so I need to add some data manually just for testing. Okay, I need a password. Also I need an image. Okay, let me add a project here. Actually project. Okay, so right now I think I have everything I need. Okay, I will change it for by user. So let's change it to be by user and one. I have an error. Yeah, controller, not user controller. Okay, so this will work for sure. Nope. Remember format of null. This is probably the date. I don't add the date in the project. Let me check the names. It's okay. Created at. This format actually return the data on the format you want. So like that, it's day, month, and year by slashes. But it's not the format I want in the database. Is like a exactly like that. So right now it probably will works. Yeah, it works. So I will jump in here. I will copy paste a lot of this to show how to get data from users, from status. I have all this. So I will jump for videos, and it's the same thing. I just copy and paste a lot. When you are in a programming business, this is the most boring part. You need to copy and paste a lot. So like I show there, I link the user on the videos. Right now I will show you how to make a post. So how to add videos on the table by route, and actually the put I will make it together in the function store. So let me show you how. Actually I will copy and paste again from this piece of code from social. I will call it videos. So right here I check what the method is. If is the method put, I will try to find the video on the videos table. If it's found, it will change it. If it's not, it will insert the data. So I will change the fields here as always. Inputs. Okay, I don't think. Okay, URL video. Actually, I need also the user. To insert, you only insert the IDs of users, so resources, save video. I think everything is there. Let me see if there is an error. Oh, let me create a new okay, posts videos. Sorry, one. I will add some dummy data manually. Okay, let me send. There is an error. Unknown column ID story. Yeah, it's stories, not story. Okay. Okay, it insert. Everything looks okay. Now it exactly works. So now I want to change it. So with the put, you can actually, if you want to only change one field, you actually use the patch, not the put. So okay, right now I'm trying to put the story and it's not working. Why? I think it's because I send it ID and this video ID when I expect the video ID field. Exactly. Everything looks working now. Let me just change these names to know what that is. Yeah, it works. So here you can see everything works fine. So I will just show you the delete. It's just send the ID of the video and it will delete. I don't need these ones. I will send the ID of the video and delete the video. Okay, I will copy and paste from social media. So videos, and take the ID videos and return videos resource. Return the video information. So let me delete videos. Okay, videos /1. Done. It works at the first time. Okay, it's working. So I have everything I need. So I will just copy paste the ranking routes and jump on this because it will be copy and paste all the things I have done before. So, and I guess with the rankings routes I have everything I need to start the pages.